This is how our expert team at Door Laminate Wrap Singapore expertly performed the door wrap installation process. Step 1. Surface preparation. The door will be thoroughly cleaned to remove dust, grease, and debris to ensure smooth adhesion. Step 2. Door hardware removal. Door handles and locks will be temporarily removed to allow a seamless application. Step 3. Door wrap cutting. The door wrap will be cut carefully according to the door dimensions to ensure full coverage. Step 4. Application of the wrap. The wrap will be applied from the top using a squeegee to eliminate air bubbles and wrinkles. Step 5. Trimming and detailing. We will carefully trim the excess vinyl around the edges, locks, and hinges, seal them and neatly tuck them to prevent peeling over time. See the difference before and after our door wrap installation process. Enhance your doors with good quality door wraps in Singapore for a sleek and modern finish. WhatsApp us now at 82410032 to book your appointment.